Episode 34, Online Advertising Strategies. Welcome back to Start Your Business Today. In today's episode, we're diving deep into online advertising strategies. With the digital landscape continually evolving, effective online advertising is crucial for reaching your audience. Whether you're a newcomer or an experienced entrepreneur, understanding these strategies will elevate your business. Let's get started. Section 1. Understanding online advertising. 1. Definition of online advertising, host. First, let's define what online advertising is. Online advertising refers to the practice of promoting products, services, or brands through digital platforms. This includes social media, search engines, websites, and more. 2. Importance of online advertising. host. Why is online advertising essential? Here are a few key reasons. Wider reach. Connect with a global audience. Targeted marketing. Utilize demographic data to reach specific groups. Cost effectiveness. Often cheaper than traditional advertising methods. Section 2. Key components of online advertising. 1. Types of online ads. host. Let's break down the different types of online ads. Search ads. Text-based ads that appear on search engine results pages, e.g. Google Ads. Display ads. Visual banner ads placed on websites. Social media ads. Ads on platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn. Video ads. Ads shown before, during, or after online video content, e.g. YouTube. 2. Key performance indicators, KPIs. host. To measure the success of your online advertising strategies, it's essential to track relevant KPIs. Some important KPIs include click-through rate, CTR, the percentage of people who click on your ad after seeing it. Conversion rate, the percentage of users who take a desired action after interacting with your ad. Return on ad spend, ROAS, revenue generated for every dollar spent on advertising. Section 3. Developing an online advertising strategy. 1. Identify your goals. host. Begin by defining your advertising goals. Common objectives can range from increasing website traffic to boosting conversions. Make these goals SMART, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Define your target audience. host. Next, identify your target audience. Consider these factors: demographics, age, gender, location. Interests, hobbies, and preferences that align with your product or service. Behavior. Understanding your audience's online behavior for precise targeting. 3. Choose advertising platforms. host. Select the right platforms based on where your audience spends their time. Key platforms include Google Ads for search visibility, Facebook, Instagram ads for visual appeal and engagement, LinkedIn ads for B2B marketing. Budgeting. host. Set a realistic budget for your advertising efforts. Consider cost per click, CPC, how much you're willing to pay for each click on your ad. Daily monthly spending limits helps in managing your overall ad spend effectively. Keyword, cost per click, CPC, host. CPC models are great for maximizing traffic while managing your budget. Monitor and adjust as needed. Section 4. Creating compelling ads. 1. Craft a strong message. host. Your message must resonate with your audience. Key components include a unique selling proposition, USP. Clearly state what makes your offering unique. Call to action, CTA. Encourage immediate action with phrases like shop now or learn more. Keyword, call to action, CTA. host. An effective CTA can significantly improve your conversion rates. Make sure it's clear and compelling. 2. Design eye-catching visuals. host. For display and social media ads, visuals matter. Use high-quality images. Ensure they are relevant and appealing. Consistent branding. Keep your brand colours and fonts uniform to enhance brand recognition. Section 5. Launching and optimizing your campaign. 1. Set up and launch. Host. Once you have your ads ready, it's time to launch your campaign. Make sure to revisit your goals and audience targeting. Second, monitor. Performance. Host. After launching, monitor your campaign closely. Use tools like Google Analytics to gather data. Analyze KPIs weekly. This helps in understanding what's working and what needs adjustment. Optimize regularly. Host. Optimization is critical for long-term success. Here's how to do it. A/B testing. Test different ad designs or messages to see what performs better. Adjust bids. Modify your bidding strategy based on performance data. Refine targeting. Adapt your audience targeting as you gather insights about who converts best. Section 6. Case studies and real-world examples. 1. Example 1. A local boutique. Host. Let's look at a successful case. A local boutique used Instagram ads to showcase their new collection. By targeting young women ages 18 to 35, they doubled their foot traffic within a month. Example 2. An online courseo. Host. An online course platform leveraged Google Ads, focusing on keywords like learn digital marketing. With a well-crafted landing page and clear CTAs, they saw a 300% return on ad spend in 3 months. Section 7. Common mistakes to avoid. Now that you're armed with strategies, let's go over some common mistakes to avoid. Not defining goals. Without clear objectives, it's hard to measure success. Ignoring audience research. Targeting the wrong audience can lead to wasted ad spend. Neglecting mobile optimization. Ensure your ads and landing pages are mobile-friendly. Conclusion. Thank you for joining us today on Start a Business Today. You now have a solid understanding of online advertising strategies. Remember to define your goals, know your audience, create compelling ads, and continuously optimize your campaign. Are you ready to take your business to the next level? You can find more related materials to what we share here on bizbuddy.com.ng. bizbuddy.com.ng is a cutting-edge online resource hub, meticulously crafted to cater to the needs of entrepreneurs and business owners seeking a comprehensive repository of information, tools, and resources to bolster their business acumen. If you found today's training helpful, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more insights, and let us know your thoughts in the comments. What email marketing strategies have worked for you? I'd love to hear from you.